Hello everyone, and welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a soothing addition for your home or office, the Homedics Tabletop Water Fountain. This isn't just any fountain. It's widely regarded as the best tabletop water fountain on the market, offering a blend of aesthetic appeal and relaxation benefits. Let's start with what makes this fountain stand out. Designed by Homedics, a brand synonymous with relaxation products, this fountain brings a touch of tranquility to any space. It features a three-tiered design that creates a gentle flow of water, mimicking the sights and sounds of a peaceful spring. The fountain is crafted with an Asian-inspired aesthetic, complete with a unique lighting feature that enhances its ambiance, making it perfect for any room where you want to unwind and de-stress. The built-in, submersible pump ensures quiet operation, circulating water to prevent algae buildup while creating a soothing atmosphere. Complemented by natural river rocks that can be arranged to your liking, this fountain adds a serene focal point to your decor. Simply plug in the corded power supply, and you're ready to enjoy the calming benefits of flowing water. Ideal for relaxation, meditation, or as a nightlight in a nursery, it offers a versatile way to enhance any environment. If you're looking to create a peaceful oasis at home or work, this fountain is unmatched. Its thoughtful design and ease of use make it a favorite among those seeking relaxation and aesthetic enhancement. In conclusion, the Homedics Tabletop Water Fountain isn't just a decorative piece, it's a gateway to tranquility. Whether for personal relaxation or to enhance the ambiance of your space, this fountain delivers on both style and function. Transform your environment into a calming retreat with the best tabletop water fountain available today. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, stay relaxed and enjoy the tranquility of your surroundings with products like the Homedics Tabletop Water Fountain.